Good morning, students. Electricity part 2, I'm going to explain you now. Here, the potential difference between the 2 point is the work done uh, to move a unit charge from one point to the another. Okay, the unit of the potential difference is volt. V equal to work done divided by charge. Then 1 volt equal to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. And if you can write 1 volt equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Okay, here two problems are there. Charge equal to 2 coulomb. The potential difference is 12 volt. Work done equal to watt. Okay, here V equal to the volt equal to what work done divided by charge. Work done equal to V into Q, that is 12 into 2. You will get work done equal to 24 joules. Okay, charge is 4 coulomb. Okay, potential difference is 20 volt. Work done is how much? You have to calculate the work done in second problem. V equal to W by Q. uh, W equal to V into Q. 4 into 20 means 80 joules. Okay, these are the easy questions he can ask. Okay, these are very important. Cell battery power supply helps to maintain the potential difference across the conductor. Cell battery power supply, these are the helps to maintain the potential difference across the conductor. And circuit symbols are very important. Refer the textbook. Open the textbook. There is a circuit diagrams are there in electricity chapter. You have to revise it because he can ask one mark question in the from this. Okay, here electric cell means we have to represent like this. And battery, combination of the battery, plug key, switch, plug key, switch open and switch close. You should remember this. A wire joint, wire crossing without joining, and electric bulb. These are the important diagrams of circuit. Okay, Ohm's law. Ohm's law is potential difference is directly proportional to the current. Potential difference equal to I into R. Current into resistance. R equal to potential difference divided by I, current. R means resistance. The SI unit is ohm, that is denoted by symbol. 1 ohm equal to 1 volt divided by 1 ampere. See here, current is directly proportional to the 1 by resistance, that is R is increases, current is decreases. He can ask this question, one more question. I equal to V by R. I increases, resistance decreases. If resistance increases, uh, current decreases. This is one of the important point for the exam. Here, variable resistance. This variable resistance is also known as rheostat, a component used to regulate the current without changing the voltage source. Change the resistance in the circuit, that is known as variable resistance. Okay, resistor, a conductor having some appreciable resistance is called resistor.